What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something every editor wants to know: which superheroes truly dominate the algorithm. Every year millions of edits flood YouTube, Instagram and TikTok, but only a few characters consistently break the internet, hit the trending page and pull in views like a magnet. These characters are your best chance to hit millions of views. Let's jump straight into it. First, we have Iron Man, the undisputed king of viral edits. No character hits harder emotionally or visually than Iron Man. His story arc, his transformation, the iconic suit-up moments, the arc reactor glow, and of course the legendary I Am Iron Man scene, all of these make people stop scrolling instantly. Iron Man edits don't just deliver hype, they deliver emotion. Fans rewatch his moments over and over, and the algorithm loves that. If you want guaranteed retention, powerful transitions, and edits that touch the heart, Iron Man will always deliver. Up next is Batman, the dark viral king. Batman edits are perfect for gritty visuals, slow motion, dark tones, and heavy beat drops. His scenes have a unique cinematic energy, silhouettes, rain, shadows, brutal fights, and iconic entrances. Whether it's the Dark Knight or the Batman, his moments hit the audience with raw intensity. Batman works because he carries mystery and power, and that combination always performs well in short form edits. Moving on, we have Captain America, a hero whose scenes naturally create goosebumps. Captain America represents courage, sacrifice, loyalty, and strength, and audiences connect with that instantly. His speeches, his standalone moments, him lifting the hammer, or even him holding a helicopter with pure strength, these scenes are perfect for motivational and heroic edits. Cap's clean visuals and emotional depth make him one of the most reliable characters for viral content. Next is Spider-Man, the king of relatable viral content. Whether it's Tom Holland, Tobey Maguire, or Andrew Garfield, Spider-Man edits explode because everyone relates to him. His swinging shots, emotional scenes, iconic suit designs, and the multiverse hype give editors endless material. Nostalgia edits, sad edits, hype edits, Spider-Man works for all styles. His massive global fanbase and universal appeal make him one of the safest choices for consistent viral performance. Lastly, we have Thor, the god of cinematic edits. Thor brings lightning, power, mythic energy, and breathtaking visuals. Stormbreaker scenes, lightning effects, dramatic entrances, and even comedy moments from Ragnarok. Thor gives you every tone you need. His Infinity War entrance alone has generated millions of edits worldwide. If you want a god-level, powerful, dramatic vibe in your content, Thor delivers it perfectly. So these are the 5 superheroes that consistently go viral in edits. If you use these characters with clean transitions, strong music, and good pacing, your edits can easily reach millions of views. I'll be sharing more tips, tutorials, and editing tricks soon. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Comment which hero you want me to break down next, and I'll make a full guide on editing them. Thanks for watching.